Hey, welcome back to Lava Tools. Hey, today I'm looking at the Blackstone 2-burner grill set. Now this one's at Lowe's and it's a little bit different than what you see online. This one actually comes with a cover and comes with some spatulas. Now it's on sale through the June 23rd for $198 at Lowe's. Now this unit has a full body cover with stamps, but it does not have the bottom tray. So if you go to the Blackstone website, they show a unit that has the bottom tray. This one does not, and the knobs are a little bit different. This one has the drip pan that sits in the back of the unit. Everything was well wrapped and labeled. Here's the cover. It's a full body cover and it has snaps at the bottom so the wind won't take it off. Now this thing also does not have the tank, of course. So you need a tank and you need a couple of AA batteries for the igniter. It takes about 10 steps. The legs are already there. They just need to be folded out. And then you put the bar on and the wheels. And then you're pretty much done. A handle, a clip for the tank, and you're pretty much ready to go. It's almost capable of a portable unit, maybe to put in your RV. If it wasn't for the sidebar and probably the tray, then it would be a nice unit probably to go in your RV. But to keep in your backyard or on your deck, it's a pretty nice unit, especially at $198. So I put the wheels on and then put the bar and the bottom clip for the tank, the handle, the top clip for the tank, the top, the tray, the knobs, which were pretty sharp. Now I will say that once I used it, you kind of have to push the oils toward the back. They didn't flow very easily toward the back. I like the drip pan in the back. The other unit I have has the drip pan off to the side. This keeps it out of the way. Now another nice thing is Blackstone has a number of recipes that you can use with this on their website. Hey, so thanks for stopping by at Lava Tools. Have a good one.